Hello everyone, today we will learn how to use where clause in SQL. Thank you. Now I am inside Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So firstly, we need to make sure that we are inside a correct database. So it is the database that is available in the system, and the database that I need to use for today's videos is staff. So that I select staff and then click on the database, click on staff. And after we click on stuff, if we click on the table, it is the table that available. And if we click on the column, it is the column that available inside that tables. So the first question is return all columns from that table. So to answer the question, simply we use the word select all from and simply just drag the table name and then execute it. So this is the output of the first question, where we got staff ID, first name, last name, department, and salary. So now move on to the next question. So the next question is display all staff first name who have a salary over 70,000. So simply copy the query from the first question. In the second question, we do not need all columns, but we only need one column, which is first name. The easiest way is just drag the column from the left hand side here. Otherwise, we just have it. That's fine. So select first name from the table, and then who have a salary over 70,000. Simply use the keyword where and then select the column salary over 70,000. Simply just copy the amount here and then execute it. So the output is display nothing error, but to get more detail, we should click on the word salary, put it in here, and then re-execute it. So now we can see that we got first name and the salary, and the salary is all over 70,000. So I think we already answered this question. And if we look closely into the first name and salary, the way that I write it is different, but both is work fine. Also, if I delete this one and re-execute it, it also work fine as well. So it does not matter whether you write like this or you write like this, that's fine. So now move on to the third question. So the third question is display all staff first name who have a salary between 60 and 80,000. So the question is really similar with the second question, so that I copy all the query from the second question, just pass it here. But in this case, does not ask us about the salary over 70,000, but ask us if a salary between 60 and 80,000. So simply we use the word between. I will copy the amount here and I will copy the amount as well and just simply execute it. So now we got the first name and the salary between 60 to 80,000. So now we move on to the next question. So the next question is which staff members does not have a salary of 70 and 90,000. So in this case, I might select all column because it does not specify any specific column. From, just drag the table here, where not salary equal 70 and salary equal 90. Just test it if it's work. It should be not. So which staff member does not have a salary of 70,000 and 90,000? So let's see together. So the output is look good to me because the display is not 70 or 90,000. But what if I just copy 78,000 and I replace 70 with 78? Let's see what happened. So after I replace 70 to 78, now I can see that it filter 78. So it look good to me. So now let's answer the last question together. Which staff member have a salary 62,000 or 90,000? I will clear the output. In this case, they did not ask any specific column. So I will select all column. Simply drag it here where salary equal or salary equal, just execute it. So it does work fine for me. It saw only the salary which is 62,000 and the salary which is 90,000, but the query is a bit long. To write a query that a little bit shorter in this one, we can just copy this one, and instead of using to salary here, we just probably just delete everything. In, we use the keyword in 60 and 90, and simply we will execute both code and to see the output of both of them. So this is the first output and it is the second output, which is for this query. We can see that the output is the same, and this one is a bit like shorter, not too many duplication of the word salary in here.